Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue working with notifications. Um, in this one we're going to basically work with invitations. Basically, like here they invite people so we can send a notification here like, oh, this user invited you to like X server, whatever. Okay, so let's just start right away. What I'm planning to do is just create a model here. When we click on that, we have like basically the model, like just kind of like this model that we have, but just it will be just to invite the user by username. So let's just go really quick to our front end here, layout server. This is our let me check. Um, okay, so this is are the models for channel creation and let me check, channel creation and all of that. Um, handle click. Okay. Okay, so something that I noticed that when we click on those and when we click on in cancel, apparently it submits the a post here. So we need to change this. On click, what is the form? On submit. So here let's change this to A, right? Same with this one. That's for the category model. And this one too here. But let's just copy let's copy these let's copy this whole model right here. Let's just paste it here. And this one, let's call it model for user invitation. And then let's name this one invite user model. Okay. Okay, just like that. Let's just put here invite user. Here, let's put username. Here, let's copy this model. Paste it here. Paste it here too. Yeah, just like that. We don't need a match length. So just put it like that. Here, let's put input user invite IPT. Just, you know, name, username, invitation. Okay. Okay. So we need a new model here. Let's state here. Let's put username. Set username. Okay. Let's copy this one. set username, la 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 la, and all of that. Okay, now we can save this. And now what we can do, we can basically create the notifications. Sorry, kind of like the service to send the let's go service here. Let's get a new file here. Let's call it notifications or .js. I'm just calling notification.js, and just like that. Okay. Just go to chat. Let's copy this importation here. Now we can copy let me check. Server. Let's just copy this one. Here, let's call it send new invitation. And this one, of course, it will take to user. And let's put server, right? If we go to our backend here, URLs, create new invitation. If you go to the API, that's what we said. So here, to user and to server. Okay. So here, let's just change this here. Okay. Let's copy the body section just in case. Let's put it here. I don't think we need it for this one, but just in case. Okay. Okay, we have that. The URL we need to fix. So let's just go here and let's copy this URL. Paste it here. Okay. And that's it. That should be it. Let me just see if the let me just do it later. I just wanted to see if the basically if the URL was working. Let's just basically handle the like the invitation thing. So let's go to server now. Here in layout, let's go to server. We need to change this on submit. Let's put handle submit invitation. We don't have it, so let's just copy the name. Oh, we need to copy this one first. Okay. Now we need to import our service here. Import let me see, services, notifications. This is the function. Run dot services / notifications. That will be the notification services. Here, let's put the token here. We're getting the token, so let's just put it here, the token, right? Save that. So we get a token. Let's copy our function here, our service. Let's just copy, paste it here in handle submit. Here we have the server detail ID, but we need the user first. So let's erase all of these. And the user, remember that we set it in the state, this state. Let's just copy this username here. We can put set user I don't know, they just leave it like that, okay? I just want it to be more, they just put a different name, but it's fine. Here, first we get the username, we send it, and then here we send the token. Okay, then we get a response. I'm just going to, oh, that's not the model. Remember, we need to close the model. So let's just copy this model here and paste it here. Let me just log the response, right? We save that. Now let's run this npm run dev. Okay, now we can refresh with control. Let's refresh, and then let's see if our model is opening. It's not. Oh, we need to set the button to open the model. So let's go to here. Let's go to the button. We can copy this button. Where is it? This is our button. Then here on click, we can set let me check. Okay, this one, model trigger, and then here we copy this one. Okay. Okay, here we paste it there. We don't need to pass anything here, basically. And the model is, check. This is the model ID, right? We copy that one and paste it here. Okay, save that. Now let's run again. Control F5, remember. This is a okay, here now we can just send a username. Let me just send this user. And we have that request here. Okay, let's check console. Oops. Let's check. Let's go to API here. Oh, I think it's because we're missing. So here in the notification, we are setting which type of notification type is. So we need to set notification type. It's a user a user invitation, like a survey invitation. Let's just copy that one and let's go to here and here. Notification type, it should be you can just set it here if you want. Notification type is one. Equals one. Paste it here. And that's it. Let's try that again. Okay. We sent a notification, apparently worked. Let's go to the admin and let's check the notifications. And here we have an object. And as you can see, we're inviting this user from this user to the server, this server. And this is a server invitation type. So yeah, so if we log to the user, we need to like basically set the all this person invited you to this server, etc., etc. But for now, that's working. Okay, let me check if the cancel. Okay, now the cancel is working. Okay, so apparently we just needed to change because we set it as a button, so it was kind of like submitting the thing. I just changed it to like a anchor tab. And it's everything's working now. The invitation is working. And then next videos we're just going to continue with the other like requests to join and all of that. And the request to join, we're going to do it like here in the kind of like in this button here. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.